Hello friends, in this video we will discuss how to set the units in Creo, and then we will discuss the basic commands as like revolve, extrude, so that we can create the symmetric objects by using revolve command, then how to use the mirror command as well. So start with how to set the units. So to set the unit in Creo, we need to go to the option that is file, and in file you can go to the option that is prepare. Now go to this model properties. Now in model properties, this is the first option, that is materials, and in material you can go to the option that is units. So here it is a millimeter Newton second that is selected, so we can go to the option that is change. Now in this change there are the different options available. See here, foot, pound second, inch, pound second. So out of that, suppose I want to shift to the inch option, or suppose centimeter option, so I can simply click on it. Now go to this option that is set the selected system as a current. The model will be converted, so click on it. Now see what is the pop-up window, that is convert dimensions. For example, 1 inch becomes equal to 25.4 mm. So click on this OK and close it. So now see here in the units it will appear as centimeter gram second. So it is a CGS unit system, and if you close it, you can start working, or whatever the dimensions you will give, that will appear in cm, in centimeters. So close it. Now we'll check how to use this revolve option in the shape menu. So select, suppose we have selected this as the front plane. Go to the option sketch. I will make the view of the sketch view that is parallel to the eyesight. Now let us create one simple object with a step consisting of horizontal vertical line. Now the best thing about Creo is that you can modify the dimensions, and the sketch will get modified automatically. Let's select this as 180. So click on the option that is OK. Now simply click on this revolve option. So if we click on revolve option, now see this command window. Select a straight curve or edge or axis to specify the axis of revolution. So we need to select this axis of revolution. So I have selected here the vertical axis, that is the y axis. So sketch is already selected. So the sketch is selected. Now for the axis, this is the y axis. Now see, because of this revolve command, we are able to create a 3D shape in this way. Now if you click on this OK option, so thus the object is created. Now initially we have set the units here. So how to check the units? You need to go to this analysis option, then this measure command. Now suppose we want to check this diameter. So see, since we have selected the CGS system, the diameter appears that is 200 cm. We will learn the mirror command in the next video. Hello friends, in this video we will discuss how to set the units in Creo, and then we will discuss the basic commands as like revolve, extrude, so that we can create the symmetric objects by using revolve command, then how to